So in this video I'm going to share with you the use of can very quickly. I will tell you three most important use of can, right, in English language. So number one is to express your ability, like I can speak English. So English speaking is your ability, so that is why I have used can. I can speak English, I can speak Tamil, I can speak French, right? So ability. The second use is for asking permission or giving permission, like I'm asking permission, can I go to market, right? So permission you are asking, so the answer could be yes, you can go to market. So you are giving permission, so asking permission and giving permission, right? So permission. The third use is for possibility, like it can rain today. There is a possibility of rain, so that is why it can rain today. So these are the three uses of can. Thank you.